back to my channel. So today we are going to be going over my Plannahannah haul that I have here. So first things first, we did get a journaling card. She does personalize it and signs it. It also has her Instagram handle here. I think this is the grunge kit or the 90s kit. I don't remember the name of this kit, but I have used it and have it. One of the freebies here is we got this cute little die cut sticker with some plants in it. I got, I believe this is the all freebie. If not, it's the Fantasy Wax Kristen's freebie, but it says love you to pieces in hollow. And then you do have some hearts down here. We got a date dots page in purple. So we have the date dots, we have the hole reinforcers and corners. And then I don't use this page, I don't ever use this, but we have this sampler page from SPC and in purple like glitter foil. Now onto my actual order. We will start with these. These are my custom multis that I order for my Plan With Me's. And the first one is for the week of January 6th through the 12th in matte silver and font 2. So I have 2 of those. I have already opened this and I put the dates on when they are going to be used. Getting foil on my dining room table. I have to wash it off. It's alright. Next I have in black. Yeah. In black, this is for the week of January 13th through the 19th. And this is the font of the month, so you can no longer get this. Sorry, but it is the font of the month. Again, these are just my custom multis, and I write them out in my social media planner that I have out to the side. And then the third week is January 20th through the 26th. I got this in white foil, and it is a font number 7. And then my last custom multi is in gold, and it is font, I don't think this is font 1. I think this is font 2, but I have them in gold. And then I did pick up some of bundles here. So the first bundle I have is the Ellie bundle. So we have our, and okay, can you put your plate on the counter? Thank you. So the first bundle I have here is in lime. This is the Ellie bundle. So we have our icons, headers, our scripts, date numbers, hole reinforcers, and corners, our bottom washi, our overlays, which are the quotes, and 2 pages of the underlays. Next up, I have the... What is wrong? Next, I have the movie bundle in white. So we have our overlay, or our header overlays, our icons. We have our scripts as well as our date dot. So this is like the essentials page. We have our overlays, our bottom washi, and our underlays. I am adding in a solid in navy to this one. Honey, I have to make your bed, so just give me a minute. And then last but not least, I did a build your own bundle, and I believe this is, open up my Plannahannah. I'll be right there, hold on. Okay, yeah, so I did a build your own bundle, and this is in the brown marble. So we have our icons, our headers, our scripts and date dots. So these pages are standard. I believe I got this in font. I know, I'll be right there. I got this in font 5. And then I did ask for the woodland bottom washi here. And I did get a quote because I am using a Robin Hood kit. And I said capture Robin Hood. I got the mixed overlays, and then I did get the wood grain underlays. So that is my complete order from Plannahannah for the month. I'll be getting more, but I'm trying to stay on top of my memory keeping planner. So that is all I have for you guys. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.